Good morning. This is Lyle Alexander. I want to share with you the Easy Wealth Solution business. Would you like to make $650,000 in 12 months or less? Well, take a look at this chart. This chart represents getting one sale every 2 weeks with the first payout package. So take a look at this. In week 1 to 2, make your first sale and start a pay line. That'll pay you $97. In weeks 3 to 4, you make one sale, and your reseller that you got in your first 2 weeks passes up one qualifying sale to you, and this is what you would earn. In week 5 to 6, you make one sale, and your 3 resellers passes up a qualifying sale, and this is what you'd make. So every a sale in 2 weeks, and everyone doing the same thing, by week 32, you could earn $658,553. The money does not stop at week 32. You get paid infinity deep week after week. Now, these are just very simple numbers, and these numbers only represent what happens at package level 2. And so as you go on up, the package level 3, 4, and 5 will do the same thing. So the money just gets bigger and bigger. The top package is $997. So this is incredible. This is an incredible moneymaker. Come along with me right now. Look in the description below. Click the link. Take the tour. And come and join us. Have a great day.